Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X60 Pro, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, all you need to do is open up the content that you wish to capture, and once it's open, which I'll be using just a home screen as an example for this, you want to press and hold the power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get this flash and a little image of your screenshot, at which point it will disappear. Now additionally, I believe we can capture a scrollable one, so I'm going to open up settings because you can scroll up and down in here. We do the same thing and you have the long screenshots. Once you press on it, it starts loading it up. So it looks like we just have to manually just scroll it down however far down we want to go. And once you're satisfied, click on save button, which will process it, save the long version of a screenshot. And both of those screenshots can be found in our gallery application. So you can see there's the home screen that I captured, and then there is the long screenshot. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.